Hi all my dear viewers. Today I am going to share my experience of Divya English Academy in online class. So firstly when I was joined, I learned introduction part like thank you sir for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Manna. I am from Uttarakhand in Dehradun. I am 7 years old. I am studying in class 3rd. So, then we studied sounds of vowels. Sounds of vowels are A, E, I, O, U. And then sounds of consonants. And then we studied 6 sentences like he was a doctor. No, he was not a doctor. Was he a doctor? Was he not a doctor? Why was he a doctor? Why was he not a doctor? And then we studied 24 auxiliary verbs. The 24 auxiliary verbs are is, am, are, was, were, do, does, did, have, has, had, shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, must, ought to, need, there, used to. So I am repeating the 24 auxiliary verbs again for you. Is, am, are, was, were, do, does, did, have, has, had, shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, must, ought to, need, dare, used to. So they are 24. And then we studied how to make questions from 24 auxiliary verbs. Then we studied WH question word meaning like when means time, where means place, why means reason, which means choice. And then we studied how to make questions from them. And then we studied silent letters in words like if N comes before M, it would be silent like autumn, column. And then we studied 8 parts of speech. Why 8 parts of speech is important? 8 parts of speech is important for learning the functions of the words in sentences. And then we studied noun in the part number 1 of parts of speech. Then the noun is the name of person, place, situation, and quality. And then we studied pronouns, personal pronouns, subject pronouns, indefinite, demonstrative. And then we studied the adjective of quality, adjective of quantity. And then now we are studying adverb. Adverbs are such kind of English words that describe, modify, or qualifies every part of speech except noun, pronoun, and introduction. It also describes other adverbs. And now we are learning 12 sentences also, like I make a sentence. I beat Manu. I beat Manu. I bet Manu. I will beat Manu. I am beating Manu. I was beating Manu. I will be beating Manu. I have bet Manu. I had bet Manu. I will have bet Manu. I have been beating Manu. I had been beating Manu. I will have been beating Manu. So that was my experience of Divya English Academy online class. So till that, keep watching and keep supporting our channel, guys. So bye. Like and subscribe our channel and share the video. Share our online classes videos with your all relatives, friends. So bye, guys. That was my experience of Divya English Academy online class.